It's going to fly an F-20 motor going up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Well, that's exciting. We're off to a fly. Illinois is going to fly a 5-inch Jart. It's a Wildman kit, weighs 14 pounds. He's going to fly it on a K535 DMS motor. It's got a tracker on board. Main's going to come out at 900 feet. Skies are mostly clear. We're going up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, see ya. You're out of the mental hospital? I know you're here somewhere. Oh well, we love Karen. She flies high-power rockets, and that's cool. She's from Anetha, Texas, currently. That's where her Witness ID protection program, that's where she's staying. Anyway, it's a Wildman rocket. It's going to fly an Aerotech J315 red motor. Skies are clear. Karen, your rocket's going up. We hope in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smoke. Fire. Wanakers, I don't know how to say it, Oklahoma, is going to fly a rocket with no name. So I'm hereby naming this rocket 16. 16 is a stretch build rocket. It's going to fly an H128 motor. This is a Cert 1 flight, folks. This is a NAR Level 1 flight. So, Thomas, where are you? Make noise, show me hands. You got your witnesses? You paid the bribes. Okay, here we go. Good luck, buddy. Thomas's rocket goes up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
That was a little rough.
I like it. It's an NCR kit. It's going to fly on a cluster of 3 motors with 417,000 motors going up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, maybe. There we go. Try to energize your lock kit on the J570 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. I like that motor. Pad 43, Brock Whitmer from Wichita, Kansas is going to fly Sierra 1. It's a lock kit, weighs 3 pounds, flying on an H135 motor. This Pad 43 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Built the motor right. We're flying an H110, altimeter deploy with the main at 400 feet. This says this is a cert flight for level 2. Is this true? Charles, where? It can't be right. This can't be right. Why do you mark that? Don't mark that. That's not what it's asking. It's a certificate. Okay. Folks, we're not real smart, but we have a lot of fun. Pad 44, Charles Nunn in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was a Sparky motor. That's not cool. We cannot, will not, must not fly Sparky motors on the inside here. So, sorry. It's going to fly 1010s, moon rocket. There we go. Cool. Oh, look at it out there. It's a pretty looking rocket. Scratch built rocket weighs just over 15 pounds. Going to fly an Aerotech K695 red motor. He's got GPS telemetry on board, radio tracker, altimeter deployed with main at 800 feet. Let's put Bill's rocket up on pad 45 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Obliteration. Folks, that's all out in the range somewhere. Stuff happens. Scofflaw actually won it on, I think, 5 different continents. This guy's crazy, but I like him. He's from Kansas City, Missouri. He's going to fly Punisher 3. It's a wild man kit, weighs 9.5 pounds, going to fly in a K700. He has a tracker on board, altimeter with the main at 700 feet. Taylor Jesse on pad 46 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Taylor does not mess around.
Added in Tripoli, so good luck, Ross. Pad 43, we're launching the Honest John in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. Okay, folks, watch this rocket because we don't know what's going to happen. It's taking its time. We've probably lost 20% of its impulse. Fire crew, be ready. I'm going to say it's probably down to a G with all the time it took on the pad. V2 kit flying out of I-245 Mojave Green Aerotech. So this is a short override, so that's when you flip that switch up. Okay, on pad 55, we will be launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. 1 is on motor ejection. So let's see what happens on pad 56 and pad 57. We'll be doing a drag race. We'll be launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
You see one?
I do not.
One's real straight up there.
Pad 58.
Then there's one over here.
We have Harry Spears from Arlington, Texas. The name of this rocket is the Spider. So this is a Spider, folks, that's flying on a J357. So get your cameras out. This is always a cool one to watch. This is on a research motor. Looks like an I-256. Does have Stratolocker on it. Pad 58 will be launching the Spider in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. That's a drag separation. And some piece is coming in. Is that the Spider's head? I don't know. Boop. Ooh. Field goal. No good. 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. We are launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. There. Yep, you gotta stand, you just gotta watch this one. That was a lot of people here. Wow, pretty cool. Pad 58, we are gonna launch. Heads up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
And put on a nice show, a nice slogan, and we're going to launch for a minute. Meanwhile, we'll be that on the way in.
8-inch DX3 kit. We've got an M1939. Armor sustainer.
When you sell way out there, there's a big, tall, ugly rocket from Tim Lear. Team Wildman from Van Oren, Illinois is going to fly the Mega Dark Star Part 2, which it should be, because it's Tim, it should be Part Duh. It is a Wildman production. The rocket weighs 400 pounds. He's going to fly it on an O9400. It's a 2-stage rocket. Oh my God. It's going to stage from an O to a P, an O9400 to a P8000. Hello, folks, this is a heads-up flight, but by that I mean you have to be out of your chair. You can't be under the circus tent. You can't be under your canopy or awning. This is spectacular. There's so much horsepower here. If something does go wrong, you've got to be mobile so you can, you know, jump behind somebody else. So, Tim has written out a 10,000-word diatribe saying, thank you, I'm just going to tear through this, Adrian Butler, Altus Metrum, Top Flight, John Clifton, David Reese, Eric Camberg, Jason Griffin, Steve Pauling, Mike T, and Mike T. Kloudbusters, thank you. My lovely wife Jackie and his girlfriend Thelma. CTI. Burl Finkenstein, Burl, I always mess up your name, and Bob Brown and Jim Cooper and Alex Plan B, and I'm going to add Jay Bailey in there, and probably Lance, but everybody, hey, thank you too. So, we are finally ready to fly the Wildman rocket. I'm going to establish radio contact out there, and we're going to go in here in just a second. Shall we count it down?
Yes, that's true.
In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Woo!
Go.
Don't light now. Oh, good. We got deployment. Well, you got half of it right. That's spectacular. I like that report at the end. There's about a pound of black powder. Come out at 1,000 feet. Let's put it up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We've got Miko. 37 white motor. This is an L3 flight. The taps are Ken Overton and Paul Holmes. Thanks to One Bad Hawk Shoot. Well, One Bad Hawks for the shoot lines. John, are you anywhere around here? John Woody, are you out here by the flight line? I'm assuming as an L3 you've got this covered. You're probably out with your rocket. Good luck to you. We're going to put your rocket up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. He's out there. Okay, I'm just going to assume he's got his ducks in a row, so let's put Sean's rocket up and wish him the best of luck. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Brian's rocket up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Going up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Cool. Motor going up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Love those dark matter. Lucas is a sharp dude. Good guy. I bet he builds good rockets too. He's from Stillwater, Oklahoma. He's flying a rocket called Go Pokes. It's a Mad Cow rocket. It weighs 80 pounds, flying on an Aerotech M1939 white motor. GPS on board, altimeter to deploy with main at 1,500 feet. I wish you the best, Lucas. You're a sharp dude. Let's put your rocket up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it goes. And that's how you do it. Rocket R&D. There we go. It's a 17-pound rocket flying on a K570. That's what you need to know. Let's put Dan's rocket up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That thing can't spin.
Maybe it's in the dirt, maybe it's not, but keep watching it.
It was just a slight threat. I wouldn't worry about it.
Just last second the winds pushed it that way.
Aerotech M1297. This is a Cert 3 flight. Charles, are you anywhere around here? I assume again at level 3 flight you know what you're doing, so let's just cross our fingers you're ready. Charles, alright, pad 71, level 3 attempt. In 5, 4, 3, keep your eye on it. On pad 74, we've got Mike Beatty from New Zealand. My case. It's flying on a CTI M840 Moonburner. It's going to get to 17,000 feet. Let's watch this flight, folks. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See ya. Woo! This is cool. It's an L motor. It says, thanks to my beautiful wife for getting me my first L motor. That's nice. Eric and Jim McGain on pad 55 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, get it. Wimpy red propellant. Total impulse 1,759, turn burn time 2.3 seconds. It's got onboard video served by Smiling Wave. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Motor, slow propellant, blah blah blah. Rocket weighs 3 pounds, burn time 1.8 seconds. Skip 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 1, go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
And that one
Ooh, that's Cal Kit, weighs 23 pounds on a CTI K735 skid mark. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
buttered open.
Like this. Lavender, so what? Going up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, shit. So,
Good luck. Pad 52, there it goes. Lauren Walton from Fort Worth, Texas, flying the Dark Aster. It's a performance hobbyist rocket. It weighs 82 pounds. It's going to fly in a Cesaroni M2505.
I think this is close enough.
This is looking at 7,000 feet altitude. Folks, I want you to put your eyes on this rocket way out there on the 70 pads to the right of things. Keep your eye on this rocket, pad 71, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walden is going to fly the Dark Aster on a Cesaroni M2505 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I don't want to get that.
I like it. Pad 73, Robert Garvey flying high voltage on an Aerotech L1000 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Intact. Do you want to see you run out there real quick? I used a pilot shoot.
3,000 feet. It's called Explorer 54. She's flying it on an Aerotech N1000. This should be a spectacular launch. Let's put Judy's up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the horizon.
There it is.
Oh, what a great name for a rocket. Jay, we should talk about a movie idea I've got. It's going to fly on an N2648. This is a VO late propellant. He's made it. 7-second burn time.
You'll know when you see it.
So is that something new? That's
No, we have them here.
Pad 86, Jay Holcomb. This should be a spectacular flight going up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Well, I mean, you're not wrong.
This is Streaks 2.6 on a Loki L1400 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 17,000 feet. CTI L645 green motor in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
boy, that was
yeah, this is a flag.
No, it's going.